Hola, hi, Martes Mahuji, Banjwa, especially Mera heart, soul, pranamasu, out of the goodness of my heart to Hasya, Mera Alandu Hanuman statue, Hanuman divinism, especially my lovable Hanuman divinism, and Samahi Banjwa, soul, Sivalingam. Especially, I am going to have finished touch this Martes Mahuji Banjwa soon. Especially this Banjwa, I have started in Thursday, like that Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Already I have finished those weeks, and now I am going to finish touch over this Tuesday, Martes Mahuji, Hanuman Divinism, Mera Honorable Hanuman Divinism, Lovable, Loveful, Hanuman Divinism, Martes Mahuji, Banjwa. Especially, I have felt so much of a great, auspicious, divine feel, touch over this Martes Mahuji, Banjwa, because it had happened what I have written every Banjwa. So I have observed, sensed what I have written in this every Banjwa. So I have felt great, and still now as of today I am feeling awesome bro. So over this Martes Mahuji Banjwa, especially in comparison of all Banjwas, I have sensed, I have felt great, I have observed also in what I have written before all these Martes Mahuji Banjwa. It has given me so much of a great auspicious divinism feeling to live my livelihood with so much of confidence with moves of this cosmos on this over this Hanuman divinism Banjwa. Especially in one side in my heart I am feeling so sad, outpouring emotional. So why? Because I am going to finish touch with this Martes Mahuji Banjwa in comparison of all Banjwas. So what is there in this all Banjwas which has been given so much of happiness to me, that only Martes Mahuji Banjwa is a great happiness Banjwa in my total life. I think like that and it will be so much happiness, as so much happiness in my all whole life. I hope so like that. So Martes Mahuji Banjwa is a, I think Martes Mahuji Banjwa will be great divinism, Hanuman divinism Banjwa in my whole of life. So really I'm thanking you as well as being grateful to this Martes Mahuji Banjwa with my outpouring emotionals over this Martes Mahuji Banjwa. So soon I am going to give finish touch soon with the next Banjwa. It's enough with my emotional expressions. Okay.